Hello students, now we are going to discuss about angle, types of angles and complementary and supplementary angles. First of all, what is an angle? It is simply the union of two rays with one common endpoint. The two rays are known as arms of the angle. When the measure of the angle formed between the two rays is 0 degrees, then it gives us 0 angle. Just observe. Now, here you can observe that the ray is moving from its original position. Now it is moving ahead. Now, when this angle lies between 0 and 90, the angle formed is known as acute angle. When the angle is exactly 90 degrees, then it is called a right angle. Further, when it moves ahead, when it is more than 90 and less than 180 degrees, then it is called obtuse angle. In particular, when the angle is exactly 180 degrees, now you can see it is a straight angle. Further, if the angle is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees, it is called reflex angle. And when the angle is exactly 360 degrees, then it is called complete angle. Okay, this is the way in which we can talk about different types of angles. Once again, you can see that this is 0 angle means when the measure of angle is 0 degrees. When it lies between 0 and 90, it is called acute angle. When it is exactly 90 degrees, it is called a right angle. Then when it is more than 90 and less than 180 degrees, it is called obtuse angle. When it is exactly 180 degrees, now you can call it a straight angle. When it is more than 180 and less than 360 degrees, it is called reflex angle. And when it is exactly 360 degrees, it is called complete angle. Now, let us talk about the pairs of angles. What do you mean by pairs of angles? Pairs of angles means we are taking two angles at a time. Now you observe these angles. Here, complementary angles means the sum of whose angles is 90 degrees. When we consider two angles, you can observe that the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, then they are called complementary angles. Here there are two possibilities. The two angles which we are considering may be adjacent, may not be adjacent. Here in the first figure you can see that they are adjacent, and the second one they are non-adjacent, but still you can see the sum of the angles. Okay, in both the situations you can see that the sum is always 90 degrees. Okay, when the sum of two angles is 90 degrees like this, when they are adjacent or non-adjacent, let them be adjacent angles, let them be non-adjacent angles. If the sum is exactly 90 degrees, then they are called complementary angles. Okay, this is what we have to understand. And of course here for these complementary angles, remember that the sum must be 90 degrees. Now let us go for one more, that is supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? Means two angles are said to be supplementary angles when their sum is 180 degrees. Now you can observe that again the two angles may be adjacent, may not be adjacent. If they are adjacent angles, then at that time you can see that the sum is always 180 degrees, whether the two angles are adjacent or not. In the first figure you can see that the two angles are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means sharing a common arm. On the other hand, in the second figure the two angles are not having any common arm, they are non-adjacent angles, but still you can observe that in both the situations the sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. when the sum of the two angles is 180 degrees like this, then they are called supplementary angles. Of course, in the first figure here, what you are observing here, the two angles sum is 180 degrees and moreover they are adjacent, right? If two adjacent angles which are supplementary, then they are called linear pair. Linear pair means the sum is 180 degrees and moreover they must be adjacent. In general, supplementary angles means they may be adjacent, may not be adjacent. But here the sum must be 180 degrees. On the other hand, when they are adjacent angles, the sum need not be 180. So if both conditions are satisfied, that is, the sum must be 180 degrees and moreover they are adjacent, then we say that they form a linear pair. So here you have two pairs of supplementary angles. In the first figure also they are supplementary angles. In the second also they are supplementary angles. Further, in the first figure you can observe that they are adjacent and moreover their sum is always 180 degrees. So even we can say that they form a linear pair. Okay students, that's all for now. In this session we discussed about what is an angle, what are the types of angles, and even we discussed about pairs of angles, namely complementary angles, supplementary angles and linear pair. Okay, that's all for now. We continue this in our next session. Okay, I remain. Thank you.